Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely amazing. I'm Ramesh Anthony and this is Goa Diary. In 5 things you must visit in Goa, I'm going to talk about 2 places which are really cool. The first one is Chepora Fort. What do you think about the Chepora Fort?
It's pretty good for photos, I guess.
It really has a very pleasant view. You can see the fort, and from the fort you can see the beach as well. And a lot of people only come here to take pictures. They don't indulge in the scenery. The only thing most people seem doing is taking pictures because it's a very picturesque place.
I've been painting every fence I know. Every color bleeds into the same.
Mostly the view behind the sunset. There is sunset, there is beach, and there is fort, the ruins, everything. It is looks perfect, picture perfect.
But you have to take a trek which is around 10 minutes.
I'm just like
Should be in the evening. So yeah, please keep that in mind and visit there in the evening. I hope you'll have a great time there. So yeah, that's for the Chepora Fort. And the second one is Vagator Beach. It's really great beach, one of the best. If you ask me, it's my personal favorite, next to Baga of course. But yeah, the cool thing about this beach is there's not a lot of people in the beach, in the morning at least. So this is Vagator Beach, and you can have water sports here, and you can get massages, and there's a nice restaurant behind me. I just had my brunch sandwiches, fish fingers, and omelette, so it was very filling. That's my 2 places that you should check out in Goa.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Kalyan. This is Goa Diaries. First place we will be talking about will be the Baga Beach. So the Baga Beach is the most crowded place in Goa. You have many places to eat, many places to drink, a lot of fun activities you can do, and there are water sports also is there, availability is there, and you can do parasailing. And apart from that, you have to visit one best restaurant in Baga Beach, that is Britos. Don't mistake the name. Check out the details in description section for the Britos.
So guys, now we are here at
Britos.
Britos. How good is this place, Kalyan?
So the ambience is really good. They have inside service and outside service. Means like on the beach, we are literally sitting on the side of the beach on the sand, and we are having a candlelight dinner with friends.
Candlelight dinner. It's called bromance. And there's one interesting fact about this place, that how many people review this place?
On Google, there are actually 23,800 and something reviews. So we wanted to test
It's 4.1.
1.
So this is the first place I'm ever visiting which have that many number of reviews. What do you think?
Let's see how it will be good.
Let's see. But this place, this ambience is really great. So guys, this is the chicken platter. So we have fries, we have chicken samosa, we have chicken pickle, and we have lollipops. These are chicken strips, presumably boneless chicken strips, and we have spring rolls, right? Spring rolls, and what is this?
Sprout salad.
Salad and lot of stuff. It looks super delicious.
If you are visiting Baga Beach, you must visit Britos. The cost is little on the higher side, but it's worth paying that.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Teja. This is Goa Diaries, and so today I'm gonna talk a little bit about Vasco da Gama and the Baina Beach. where we are right now. As you can see in my background, so this is a little 1.5 hour drive from Baga where we are staying. Very big beach, and you can as you can see in the view, you can see an island over here which has a great view, and there is also like when we arrived at the beach, we could see a very good sunset, which picturesque view where we took a lot of photos. You can see a lot of people playing football and playing other sports as well, which is filled with a lot of local people who stay here in Vasco da Gama, and you get to see actual Goan culture here. Also, you can see flights taking off and taking landing. So, and it's a very beautiful place for an airport to have a view like that when you're taking off and taking landing here. From Vasco da Gama, you can probably travel by flight from anywhere in the country, and also you have a ferry from here to the airport. And there is one flight taking off right now. As you can see, we were able to see a lot of places in around Goa. And then when we reached here, it was almost sunset, but still we had a great view and a great time here. And hope you people also have a great time watching this vlog.
We are in Saturday market. So this opens only on the Saturday nights, and we are going to explore what it is. Today we are ending the day with the flea market. So it opens only on Saturdays in the night from 10 p.m. till 4 a.m. in the morning. So there are so many options to here for shopping, for music. There is a live music.
Big plans, break them. This is bound to be one. Body's fun line. Your body's fun, I use mine. Your body's fun line.
And food counters are also there. And we have tried waffle here, so it is good and you should visit it.
Please do check out on my Insta. Please do give me a follow. It would be super cool. So guys, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please do like,
Share.
Subscribe.
So we had a great time in Goa. I hope you had a great time watching this video. See you in the next one. You take care. Have fun. Bye bye.
Bye bye.